Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to update Safari on your MacBook step by step. Now, unlike other browsers like Chrome, Safari updates are built directly into macOS, so you won't update Safari separately, you update it through your Mac's system update. Let's get started. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then click System Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on General. Next, click Software Update. Your Mac will now check for any available updates. If there's a new macOS update available, you'll see it listed here. Since Safari updates come with macOS updates, installing this will also update Safari to the latest version. Click Update Now or Upgrade Now, depending on what you see. If prompted, enter your Mac password to continue. Your Mac may need to restart during the update process, so make sure you save any important work before proceeding. Once your Mac finishes updating and restarts, Safari will be updated to the latest version available for your macOS. If you don't see any updates available, that means Safari is already up to date. And that's it. That's how you update Safari on your MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and clear Mac tutorials.